Let's go ahead and talk about our last two cases. We're going to take a look at case 3, which is where we have two sides and an included angle. And we're also going to take a look at case 4, which is where we're going to have three sides given to us. Each of these cases is going to use the law of cosines, and you're going to see three different versions down there towards the bottom of your screen. I tend to use the one that's listed on top. So the formula we're going to be using is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple problems that use the law of cosines. In this problem, we're given some information about our triangle. We have side A is a length of 2. Side B has a length of 3. And for our angle measures, we're going to have to find angle A and angle B, and we're given some information about angle C. We know that one is 60 degrees. So let's go ahead and start using our law of cosines. We have c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. And let's go ahead and plug in the pieces that we know. Our a value is 2. Our b value is 3. And our angle measure for c is 60 degrees. Now that we've got everything plugged in, let's go ahead and simplify what we have. This is going to give us c squared equals 4 plus 9. 2 times 2 times 3 is going to give us 12 times cosine of 60. So this is going to be 13 minus 12 times cosine of 60. And you're going to want to make sure that you go ahead and follow order of operations here. Make sure you know that you're going to be multiplying the 12 times the cosine of 60 first before you subtract it from the 13. So we're going to get c squared equals 7. And that means c is going to be the square root of 7, which in this case comes out to be 2.66. So there's our third side length. Now you have a couple options from here. You can go back and use law of cosines if you would like to get one of your other angle measures, or you could go ahead and use law of sines. So let's go ahead and use law of sines to get an angle measure. And let's go ahead and look for angle A. So we've got sine of A over 2 equals sine of 60 degrees over 2.66. So let's go ahead and cross multiply here. We're going to get sine of A is 2 times sine of 60 divided by 2.66. And keep in mind we're solving for angle A, so we're going to have to go ahead and take the inverse sine of both sides. And you can go ahead and do this on your calculator. I'm going to go ahead and work in degree mode on mine, and let's go ahead and round to 1 decimal place. So this is going to give us 40.6 degrees. And now we can go ahead and get our last angle measure. We know the three angles in a triangle have to add up to be 180 degrees. So we've got our 40.6 plus angle B plus 60 degrees should give us 180. If we add the 40.6 and the 60 together, that should give us 100.6. And then we can go ahead and subtract that from 180. So our B value here should be 79.4 degrees. And you can go ahead and check your answer. Make sure that things match up. Your smallest side should be across from your smallest angle, and your largest side should be across from your largest angle.